Good morning, students. Welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of GK, which is musical instruments. So you must have seen different types of musical instruments. First, we will discuss what is musical instrument, and then we will discuss various types of musical instruments. Musical instruments or any device for producing a musical sound. You can hear or you can find out musical sound from musical instruments. The principal types of such instruments classified by the method of producing sounds are percussion, stringed, keyboard, wind, and electronic. Percussion means drum or other instruments that you play by hitting them. The five major types of musical instruments are percussion, woodwind, string, brass, and keyboard. So let's start and find out various types of musical instruments. Yes, students, first musical instrument is sitar, and sitar is a stringed instrument, is a plucked stringed instrument originating from the Indian subcontinent used in Hindustani classical music. The instrument was invented in medieval India and flourished in the 16th and 17th century and arrived at its present form in 18th century. So beta, sitar is a stringed instrument, and you can see in the picture there are three saptaks: Madhya, Madra or Tar saptak. Yes, students. Next musical instrument, that is dholak. The dholak is a two-headed hand drum from the Indian subcontinent. It may have traditional cotton rope, lacing, screw turn, buckle, tensing, or both combined. In the first case, steel rings are used for turning or pegs are twisted inside the laces. As you can see in the picture, uh, what kind of dholak instrument, and you must have seen this dholak instrument in weddings also. Yes, students, next musical instrument, that is harmonium. Harmonium, also called a melodeon, reed organ or pump organ, is a keyboard instrument that is a lot like an organ. Reed means the piece of metal is called a reed. Yes, students, next instrument, that is flute. Flute is a family of musical instrument in the woodwind group. And unlike woodwind instrument with reeds, a flute is an aerophone or reedless wind instrument, because I already told you reed means metal and that produces its sound from the flow of air across an opening. Yes, students, next musical instrument, that is bagpipes. Bagpipes are a woodwind instrument using enclosed reeds fed from a constant reservoirs of air in the form of a bag. As you can see in the picture, it is in the form of bag, and here is the pipes. Yes, students, next musical instrument, that is drum. You must have seen this instrument. A drum is a musical instrument that is played with the hands using a drumstick. Drums are used to keep a steady beat in a song. Yes, next is Veena. Veena is also a string instrument. Veena is an Indian plucked stringed instrument. It is named after Hindu goddess Saraswati, who is usually depicted holding or playing the instrument. Veena is used mostly in Indian classical music. Yes, students, next musical instrument, that is guitar. Guitar is a string instrument which is played by plucking the strings. Yes, students, next musical instrument, that is piano. The piano is a keyboard instrument that produces sound by striking strings with hammer, characterized by its large range and ability to play chords freely. When you press a key on a piano, this key moves and a teeny hammer inside that hammers that hits a string, and then that string vibrates and it creates a sound. Yes, students. Next musical instrument, that is santoor. The Indian santoor instrument is a trapezoid shaped. The instrument is generally made up of walnut and has 25 bridges. Trapezoid shape means the two sides that are parallel are called bases, and each bridge has 4 strings and making for a total of 100 strings. Yes, students. Next musical instrument, that is Duffly. You must have seen Duffly instrument in festivals, bhajans. A Duffly is a handheld brass producing device which can be thought of similar to a drum or tabla. There is not much learning involved unlike other musical instruments, and one can soon learn to produce a musical pattern on it, and they are often used in rural folk fairs, religious festivals, or bhajans. Yes, students, last musical instrument, that is Shehnai. The Shehnai is a musical instrument originating from Indian subcontinent. It is made out of wood with a double lid at one end and a metal or wooden flared bell at the other end. So students, I hope you must have learned the various types of musical instruments. Please read and revise all these musical instruments. Thank you and have a nice day.